Hello and welcome to a quick demonstration video for MaintainPad. MaintainPad is part of Uptivity application suite and is designed to take care of anything to do with maintenance, repairs, assets, equipment, contractors, engineers, and your staff, which are distributed across different places. MaintainPad is completely cloud-based system, so you don't need to install anything on your computer, and also it comes with mobile applications, so your staff on the move, they are able to do most of their jobs without using paper. MaintainPad is designed for different sectors. For example, it covers large facilities like airports, large hotel chains, hospitals, and those type of facilities where a lot of people are moving around, a lot of maintenance would need to be carried out. MaintainPad is also designed for where you have to manage your spaces, which is called CAFM. Again, this is a very specific use for MaintainPad, and the features cover that requirement. Another part of MaintainPad covers the field service management. So if you have a lot of field service staff who are out and about and they are they need to be organized which site they need to go and carry out repair works, MaintainPad covers that too. Again, your field service team don't need to come to the office to collect the paperwork. They get notified on their mobile app, on their routes, their plans, and the jobs that they need to do. And also their schedules are all organized as well. And they can report back of their repairs or their labor costs directly from the app, and it comes back to the central system. MaintainPad also covers anything and everything to do with fire safety equipment. And so this module here covers everything to do with your compliance, regulatory needs, making sure that the equipment is tested on time, and any remedial and repair works are logged and reported, and it generates certificates and reports as well. The next part of MaintainPad is everything to do with multifamily, residential, or real estate properties, or management of those real estate properties. So if you deal with a lot of rental property that needs maintaining, repairing, MaintainPad has got this section built in there as well. That looks a little bit like this, where, for example, everything from tenant reporting a fault to property manager allocating the jobs or tendering or bidding the jobs out to multiple contractors. It requires a approval from a landlord, and then tenant gets notified when the repair is being carried out. All of this is completely automated, which requires less administration, all the way from tenant reporting a fault all the way to completion of a job. And then finally, MaintainPad also has an asset management module in there. This can be used in combination of existing application, but some of the companies, they use it as a standalone application to keep track of their assets and equipment, where they're installed, what's their repair history, and so on and so forth. So this module within MaintainPad can help you with both your fixed assets and rotating assets. Rotating assets, i.e. could be vehicles, could be your equipment that you loan out to your staff, and they still require maintenance and tracking. This is another part of MaintainPad. Moving further down, just reiterating the fact that everything that MaintainPad does, it's mobile first, so you and your team can update statuses of the jobs no matter where they are. Within MaintainPad, there are very specific features. We talked a little bit about asset management, but also there is a feature of 24/7 repair requests. So your tenants or your staff or anybody who wants to report repairs 24/7, they can do it from their mobile app as well. There's inspections and compliance checks application built into the MaintainPad. You can also keep a track of your spare parts and supplies, that how many spare parts are being used on what job, which site, and for which customer. So you can, if you want to keep a track, or if you want to bill that customer, you can do that. The other good thing within MaintainPad is it's linked with one of our existing product, which is basically time and attendance system. It captures the location-based attendance for your staff. So if you want to collect which staff has been to what site and how much time they spent on each site doing that job, this application is an add-on to MaintainPad, but it works seamlessly within the same system. You also have keys management, which basically helps you track all of your keys, especially around facilities, buildings, properties, cabinets, anything that has keys. You can track them, tag them, and locate them if they go missing. So again, this is an additional feature. You can have smart tags added to your module as well, and if the key is found, or if there's a lost key, end user, person who's found the key, they get notified where to return the key. There's better chances of the key being returned to yourself. Further down, you keep a record of your audit trails through MaintainPad, and also you also get the option to see depreciation, how much depreciation each asset and equipment has had. and you also get the option to do bidding and tendering on the jobs as well. So moving further down, I think it's some frequently asked questions. There is some customers that we are working with already, and if you still have more questions, do reach out to us and we'd be happy to answer your specific questions. Thank you.